Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download your photos from iCloud. This works whether you're on an iPhone, a Mac, or even using iCloud.com. It's simple once you know where everything is, and I'll guide you step by step. Open the Settings app. At the top, tap your Apple ID name. Now tap iCloud. Then tap Photos. If iCloud Photos isn't enabled, turn it on. This makes sure your photos sync across your devices. Now let's move to iCloud.com. Open any browser and go to iCloud.com. Click the Photos icon on the home page. Select the photo you want to download. For multiple photos, hold Shift or Command to select them individually. Then click the Download icon. If prompted, choose Unmodified Original for the highest quality. This keeps your edits, metadata, and location info intact. Now, on a Mac, open the Photos app. Go to Photos in the top menu, then Settings. Select the iCloud tab. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. Then choose Download Originals to this Mac. Your Mac will start downloading all full-resolution photos and videos. Keep your Mac connected to Wi-Fi and power for faster syncing. If you use shared albums, open the Shared section. Select the album you want. Choose the photos and export them as unmodified originals. Some tips to keep in mind. Use Download Originals if you want the highest quality for printing or backups. Use iCloud.com if your device is low on storage. Check your iCloud storage regularly in Settings. Export unmodified originals when transferring to Windows or external drives. And that's it. Now you know how to download your photos from iCloud, no matter the device. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. See you in the next one.